Se her, hvordan Simrads chartplotter spiller sammen.
Okay, well this is my boat Anchorman, and it's full of Simrad kit. It's all connected together. There are 4 sonars on the bottom, side scan, forward scan and down scan, and they're all connected to these devices. They're all networked together. So as you can see, we're displaying lots of data on the screen. This one here at the moment is showing our side scan, and we've got a 3-dimensional screen here. 4 screens here, as we saw earlier. One of the key products that we've got is the ability to dim the screens down. So if I press the power button here, the power button there, I go on to brightness, I can then dim everything down together or bring it back up again. Okay. Also, if I'm in night mode, I want to change everything to night mode, I can also select night mode and it will change everything to night mode.
Wow.
Now that can be zoned, so if you're on a sailing boat you can have 2 different zones. So on the cockpit it may be you may want it slightly darker, and downstairs when you're plotting you may want it slightly lighter. So all of that is doable quite easily by zoning the chart plotter. On here also we have the ability to have what's called bridge control, and bridge control allows me to define on these screens, rather than the standard screen that you have with individual units and then selecting one on each unit, you have the ability to run bridge control which predefines what I'm going to see on each screen. So if I select, for example, this button here, that selects the chart plotter on this one. It selects the 4 depths on here, and it selects the 3D dynamic display on this one. Okay. On the equipment that we can see on the left-hand screen, we are running the CMAP cartography, and the AIS plots are on here. And on the right-hand screen, this one here, we're running, if I go into charts, we're running the Navionics cartography.
So you can choose. Yeah.
And you can choose between the 2. And because they're networked, I can choose which device uses which card. So CMAP in here, Navionics on here, this has nothing in it, okay? But if I select this chart and then select menu, come a second, okay, I then select menu, I can click on chart options, chart source, and I can put either CMAP, Navionics or the inbuilt Insight Genesis chart.
And what do you think about the system?
Fantastic.
Why?
It's easy to use. The software is easily driven. It's very user focused. The quality of the displays are very good. They're very bright, so you can see them. The equipment is very easy to put together. So if you want to add a piece of equipment on, it's very easy, just plug and play. So anyone can do it. And the other thing that's really good about it is, not only is the equipment readily available, if you've got a problem, you can just phone up support desk and they'll give you a hand, no drums at all. So it's all very easy to do. We've got a little autopilot here as well that's running. I've got that in auto at the moment, and you can steer a course. You can either allow it to adjust for your drift or just steer a straightforward course. But one of the functions, if I turn the autopilot off into standby, is it gives me a rudder angle here on all the equipment. You can see now I've got some port rudder on. If I come back and go the other way, I've now got some starboard rudder angle on.
Oh yeah.
So each way it's going to tell me what angle I'm running. If I put a go-to point in, it'll tell me if I'm which course to steer. So if I, as example, if I'm over here, I'll just keep out of the way of this yacht. If I put the Hamburg River entrance just there, pressed on this here and went go to cursor. Okay, engage autopilot, yes. Okay, yes, that's fine. So now that's gone into autopilot mode, and the boat's now steering on the course. It's now telling me which way I've got to steer. This is the course, and here's the rudder angle, and this is the course it's going to steer 308.